Greetings to everyone, and today we will install MikoPBX on Hyper-V. Firstly, what we need is a Hyper-V manager and also downloaded MikoPBX image. You can download it from official website without any issues. Okay, let's get started from creating a new virtual machine in Hyper-V manager. Okay, firstly, open that. Here in Actions section, choose New Virtual Machine. Here, click Next. On this page, you can choose the name for your new virtual machine. I will use MikoPBX 5 as example. And also you can choose if you want to store the virtual machine in a different location. I will choose that and choose another folder for it, for example this one, and then click Next. Here you should choose generation 1, click Next. On this page you should choose the amount of startup memory. I will use recommended amount. It is 2048 megabytes or 2 gigabytes, and just leave this section without any corrections and click Next. Here choose your connection. I will use default switch. On the next page you should choose this one, like create a virtual hard disk. Choose a name for that. I won't change it. And also you can choose some other location for this disk. I should say that it would be your system disk. You will mount system on it. And because of that, the size should be around 1 gigabyte. Okay, let's go to the next page. Here you should choose install an operating system from a bootable SD, DVD-ROM, and here choose image file .iso in brackets, and just choose the disk image that you downloaded before. And here click Next. Here you can see summary configuration of your virtual machine. Click Finish, and after your virtual machine will be created, go to Settings, click on IDE Controller 0, here choose Hard Drive and click Add. On this page click New, Next. Here choose VHD, like another format of new virtual disk. After that click Next, and on this page you can choose a name and location for your new disk. We create a disk that we will use for storage. We will storage after our recordings. I will name it like storage and choose another location, this one. After that click Next and choose the size for your disk. I can say that the normal amount for real system is about 50 gigabytes, but for example I will use just 4. After that click Next and Finish. After your disk will be created, we will start our virtual machine. Well, as we can see, it finished successfully, and now we are fully ready to start our system. To do that, just click start, and connect. Okay, it started successfully. But here we see this text that the system is loaded in recovery mode. It is because we didn't install it yet. Let's mount our system. Clicking by arrows on your keyboard, go to section 8, which is install, and click enter. Here, system suggests you to choose the disk for itself. It suggests me disk with the name SDB, which is 1 GB. I agree with that and just click enter. After that, system shows an attention that MikoPBX will be installed on the disk SDB. All data on the device will be deleted and the operation is irreversible. I agree with that and just type small y and press enter. After that, we will choose another disk for recordings. System suggests me disk SDC. I agree with that and just press enter. And finally, for now, our system is fully ready to use. Here we can see our IP address, which we will use to connect it from the browser. Okay, let's do that. Just open the browser, and here in this field, just type the IP address of your MikoPBX. Okay, here we are. Now we should just input the standard login and password, which is admin for username and admin for password, like nothing difficult. And click authorize. Okay, here we are. System asks us to set a new password. Let's do that. Okay, and for now our system is fully ready to use. Now I will show you how to connect two different soft phones to our MikoPBX. Let's connect the employee with internal number 202 to Zoiper, and the employee with internal number 203 to Phonoloite. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, you should open configuration of your employee. After that, go to Zoiper. Here, type internal number of your employee. After that, put this symbol and type the IP address of your MikoPBX. Like that. And then in the password field, just copy this password from SIP from your system. Well, here we are. And after that, press login, next, skip, next. Here in Zoiper we see this green indicator, which says us that our connection was successful. And here in extensions section, you can find the same indicator, which says that we did everything fine. Okay, and let's connect the second extension to another soft phone. For that, open for the light, click new. Here in the main realm field, type the IP address of your MikoPBX. 41. Press the arrow. In username field, type the internal number of your employee. For me it is 203. In authentication name, type the same. And for the password field, you should go there, copy this password for zip, and paste it here. Then click the arrow and finish. As you can see, for the light writes us that our employee was successfully registered. Also, we can go to extensions section and here find that we did it successfully too. Let's call from one softphone to another just for checking. For example, I will call to employee with internal number 203. As we can see, it was successful. And for the last step, I suggest you to check your system by internal Dialplan application. You can find it in the models section. This application named Tahoe Test, and here we can see the number. Let's call to this number, and when we will deal, we will hear us 10003246 deal 123 test. As we can see, it works perfectly, and that means that we did everything well. And also you can see that it's pretty easy to do. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.